What's up, guys? Hey, I just want to make a quick video to let you know what happened with the sink video. I done the whole thing step by step, recorded it, everything perfect. Well, so I thought. I done it, and I thought I recorded it. I could have swore I hit record on the phone. I could have swore I done everything perfect. After I got done with it, I went to go download it on my computer and edit it. Well, there was nothing there. I was like, oh my God, I cannot believe this is happening. But I can tell you one thing for sure. Saturday morning, I'm going to get up, put my color back on top of it, and I'm going to redo it. I'm going to re-record it, get it on YouTube so you guys can see it. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm probably going to get a lot of backlash on it because, I mean, everybody has their own way of doing it. This is the way that I do it. You know, I'll pour my sink itself, you know, where the bowl and all that, I'll pour all that flat. Once that cures, I'll stand the sink up on its backsplash, and then I'll pour the backsplash and tie it all together. It works for me. I'm sure it ain't gonna work for everybody, but that's the way it works for me. That's the way I do it, and I've had success with it. But I'm gonna show you the sink of what it looks like. I mean, I'm kind of glad I get to redo it because I don't like the colors that was picked for it. I'm not gonna tell my wife that, but it is what it is. Anyway, let me show it to you real quick. Let me get you off here real quick. There you go. I'm glad I get to redo it, to be honest with you, because I do not like the colors or the way she wanted me to texture it. I don't like it. Some may, but I don't. Yes, I'm very happy that I get to redo it. Not happy that I wasted the epoxy on it. Anyway, we're going to do this tomorrow, and I will have this edited tomorrow. The next project after that is going to be, let me see if I can get some light over here. It's going to be this long awaited table right there. You guys can give me some color ideas or design ideas. That would be great. There, it sits inside this. There's a lip that it sits in right there. And that's going to be a cool little project right there. I've got that going on. I've done a video, oh Lord, 6 months back about an elderly woman giving me, well, not giving it to me, but asking me if I could rejuvenate her little, I guess, china cabinet. It's not really a china cabinet, don't know really what you'd call it. And I told her I'd, you know, give it a shot. Well, that's it now. So far, it's, I'll say 90% done, 95% done. All this had to be replaced. It's all new. All the shelves are new. The face frame is the only original thing on it. That's it. Other than that, it's all new. I'm going to use the original doors, the original drawers. Here's one of the original drawers right here to kind of give you an idea of what it. This will sit in there like so. Of course, it won't look that bad though, and I've got all new handles for it. I'm going to use the original glass in the doors, and there's a border that's going to go around the glass. The handles are going to be red. The knobs are going to be red on the doors down here. Up here, the knobs are going to be red. But that's the project that everybody's wanting to see right here. That and this sink. Here's the colors that I used. Some of them. Get that out of the way. Oh, God, that's sticky. Oh, God, Jesus, that's sticky. Here it was bright coat copper. It was metallic rose gold. Of course, black and white. Metallic dark copper. Put that lid back on there. And it's what give it that look, that pitted look, is this here hammered. Oh, sorry for the glare. Let me turn this light off. I still ain't doing it no good. It's this hammered copper look. I don't like it. I think I'm gonna put it all back white. Maybe put some blues and teals in it, the real subtle shades of like seaside blue, maybe some turquoise. It's gonna look good. And it's going to be a step-by-step process of the way that I do it. Other people do it different. I'm going to do it my way. That's the way it works for me. And that's just how it's going to be. I've already got a lot of backlash over the last one I done on the way I done it. For whatever reason, you know, everybody has their own way of doing things. But, yeah, that's it. I can't believe that record button didn't get smashed. So that's where we stand with all that. If you guys get any value out of any of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button if you get any value at all out of them. That helps me get a little higher in the queue. And I'm trying to turn this channel into something more than what it is right now. And I know it's a process I got to go through, which, hey, that's fine with me. I'm willing to do that. As long as it takes, I'm in it for the long haul. I've had a string of bad luck here lately. Let's see what started. Well, my first camera, it just stopped working and erased everything I had on my SD card. It was 250 gig card. It erased everything on it. The second one was my phone, not this phone, another phone. It was an iPhone. It quit working for whatever reason. Let's see. Then my last camera, it fell off the side of the truck, which that was my fault. I take blame for that. And now this phone, without a camera, I have a tripod. Both of my mics quit working. So the way I'm going to have to record this is I'm going to have you guys on a tripod. I'm going to have the camera on a tripod, and I'm going to have it behind the sink looking down on it like a bird's eye view. And I'm hoping you'll be able to hear me, what I'm saying when I say it. If not, I guess I'll just have to do a voiceover. I mean, I ain't got no choice. It's what I got to do to make the video. But, yeah, I ain't got no mic. I ain't got no camera. I'm back down to square one where I started from the very beginning with one phone. Well, at least I have a tripod. So tomorrow will be Saturday. You guys can look forward to sometime tomorrow having that singing video out. It'll be up on my channel. It sure will. And you guys smash that like button. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. And as always, good night and God bless.